Here we have the massage gun being used on my shoulder area and upper back. It's actually quite powerful, and if you have like a headache or a stiff neck, it works wonders. It's also much easier for the person giving you a massage, and the fact if you're muscular, it makes it harder for someone to massage you. This gun does the trick and gets in deep and will loosen you up quickly. Just have to make sure you run it along the muscle. Try to avoid any bone. Works great on your legs, back of your thigh. Works well on the front thigh as well. It's got several different settings. It can start off slow, and then you can increase it with the touch of a button. It'll go faster and harder. This is the first time we've ever had one of these devices, and they're pretty neat, and they work quite well. Also great on your calf muscle. Help to loosen up your legs after a long day. Yeah, buy one, you won't be disappointed.